You call a customer, and your call goes unanswered. Half the time, it's not them, it's what they see, an unknown number. Here's how to make your business name show up instead. A call from a number nobody recognizes gets ignored, or worse, flagged as spam. The same call, showing your business name, gets picked up because they know it's you. That name is your caller ID name, sometimes called CNAM. You register it once, and it shows on every outbound call you make. It lives in your number's settings, under number reputation. This is also where Allo helps you keep your answer rate up. The one to set is caller ID name, the name people see when you call them. Type the name you want to show. Up to 15 letters, numbers, and spaces, so keep it to your business name, then save it. One thing to know, you can only set this once, so get it right the first time. That's it, your caller ID name is registered. It can take up to 72 hours for carriers to pick it up. After that, every call you make shows your name, not a random number. And that's it. Now you know how to set your caller ID with Allo.